Hey y'all, it's your girl Shelethia Tre'nae, and I'm back with another video. I am eating, so this is so unprofessional. Let me come back. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, I'm in a different setup. I am in my baby's nursery right now, so bear with me. I just figured since I already had the camera set up in here, I just go ahead and do it. And this is a different type of setup because I will be showing my feet and not my face. But you guys get to see my face right now. So as you guys already seen in the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own pedicure at home. We are quarantined, so I mean, like, we really can't really go to get our nails done because it's not an essential place, but it is for somebody like me who goes every 2 weeks. Okay, so this is a struggle for your girl, but I'm gonna try to do my own pedicure. I need to tell y'all something though. This is my first time doing this. I never do my own pedicure. So you guys please watch this video all the way through and comment down below and let me know what you guys think, how I did. Like, let me know, be honest, be truthful, because your girl want to know. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I will be doing my pedicure in a Rubbermaid box like this. And no, this is not from my kitchen. This is from storage in my bathroom. I had like all types of different products in here. So don't think your girl is using kitchen stuff, because who does that? Okay, so yeah. I hope my feet can fit in this. I might have to do it 1 foot at a time. Alright, I'm gonna do this 1 foot at a time, y'all, because both my feet can't fit in this little bitty thing and I don't feel like going to get two. So yeah. Voiceover time. Let's discuss what you'll need. So I have a bottle of white distilled vinegar, a bottle of a teeny tiny amount of Listerine, but just in case I need more, I have another bottle, some baking soda, and some sort of scrub for exfoliating. I'm using the English Rose and Vanilla Sugar Scrub, and I'm gonna follow that with the OG Petroleum Jelly, aka Vaseline, some organic virgin coconut oil, baby oil, a bath salt. I couldn't find my Epsom salt, so I'm using my husband's muscle soak, hence why it says men, but hey, it gets the job done. And last but not least, my Pumice Stone. So I filled the tub with warm water, and I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of the bath salt that I showed you guys, followed by the baking soda and that little corner of Listerine that you saw. I did only use that one bottle, so there you have it. And be very careful when you're adding your vinegar, because I completely forgot that it doesn't react well with baking soda, as you can see. Scared the crap out of me, but it's all good. Now I'm adding a little bit of the baby oil, and I decided to add some of my favorite moisturizing soap by Aveeno. Alright, so here are my feet, all rusty, musty, dusty, and crusty. My heels are cracking, and my toenails, they need a serious trim. I'm still taking my prenatals, y'all, so don't judge me. My nails grow fast. So I'm placing my foot in the mixture, and instantly I feel the dirt just falling off. You can actually see the mixture as it's working, fizzling up and cleaning off all of that dead skin on my foot. I did let my my foot soak for 5 minutes, and then I went in with the exfoliating sugar scrub. Now you can let your feet soak a little bit longer if you want, 10 minutes at the most, but 5 minutes is all that I needed. So with this exfoliating sugar scrub, I made sure that I targeted my heels and the top layer of the skin on my feet the most. Once I was finished with that, I dipped my foot once more, and then I began to scrub the excess dead skin off with my Pumice Stone. Be sure to be gentle with yourself when doing this, because you don't want to accidentally cut yourself. It's so easy to do, so be very careful. Once done with that, I dipped my foot once more, and then I prepared to dry. My foot was so smooth, and the cleaning was definitely refreshing. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing with my other foot. all clean and dead skin free. My feet are softer, smoother, and even pain free since using that muscle soak. Look at that, smooth, silky, just soft. They look great, they feel great. This was definitely a great experiment. Now I just need to clip my nails down a bit and moisturize. I moisturized my feet with the coconut oil that you guys seen earlier, and then I followed in with the Vaseline to seal in that moisture, and voila, clean, smooth, and silky feet. At my nail salon, this would have costed me over $25, but quarantine life had different plans. Alright, beautiful people, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any posts from me in the future. As always, be yourself, be you, be beautiful, and be untamed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.